Hi everyone, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video. This is the Kolkata New Market haul. I purchased few products online as well, so I'm going to be clubbing everything together. First I'll show you the online products and then I'll show you the New Market products. So okay, let's get started with the video. I purchased this ADS Luminizer, luminizer, like it's the 3-in-1 luminizer set. It's the dupe for the Balm Sisters luminizer, and I have a full-on review of this. It's a total waste of money. I just don't like this product at all, except for this color, except for this golden shade. I can use it as eyeshadow or highlighter on my inner corners. The rest too, it's just, I didn't like these two at all. So that is the first product that I purchased, and I got this from Amazon. Next, I got these 6 liquid lipsticks by ADS again. I purchased these from Amazon, and I have a full-on review of these as well. I loved them. They are quite affordable, and the set of 6 comes for 599 rupees, which is really affordable. So I will put the link of this liquid lipstick in the description. Go check it out if you are interested, and I will put the link to the review as well. So just check it out if you are interested. So I got these Lakme Enrich Matte lipsticks. I got 5 of them. I have a full-on review of these. I will put the link to the review in the description. I will put the prices for everything in the description. Please check the description box, you guys. Just check the description box for the details, and link to these awesome lipsticks. Next, I got the Makeup Revolution Lip Trends Lip Ultra Vamp 2017. These are the 3 lip glosses. I have a review of these as well. Description box, please. And these are the darkest lip colors which are in trend right now. So just check the description if you are interested. Just check the link to it, and the price for retail price for this is 1050. I got these on sale, so just check it out if you are interested. I got this Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush, Bronze and Highlighter palette. I got this shade Smolder, and I didn't like it that much. The shade does not show up on my skin that well. The bronzer just doesn't matches with my skin tone, and I don't know, I just didn't like it that much. I've seen so many reviews, that's why I bought it, but I'm not very impressed. Yeah, that's about it for my online shopping, and now I will show you the New Market product. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I went there after 1.5 years, and I went crazy. And the first thing I'll show you is a bag, a wallet. Can you see the gorgeousness of this wallet? Oh my god, my wallet was torn, so I bought this, and this was for ₹100 only. And can you imagine, 100 only? See the wallet, it has got this chain, although it's difficult to, you know, I don't know, it's just so difficult to unzip or zip the wallet here, but I just loved how it looks. It looks so classy, and it's got this hanging thing as well, but nobody uses it, but I just hanged it just to make it more, you know, more attractive. I just loved this, and can you see, it has got so many pockets. You can insert your wallet or your cards, your debit cards, your shopping card, whatever. So I just loved this wallet, and it has inside, I've got some money as well. Loved it. And for 100 rupees, what more can you ask? I just love it. Next, I got this graphic wallet. I just loved how it looks, and it has got this button, if you can say push button. and the zipper. You can open it, close it as you wish. I got this for Priyo's niece, and I just loved how it looks, and she's a teenager right now, so I thought she would love it, so I got this for her. Bags. Next I purchased this bigger bag. Can you see? It is huge, and with this graphic, a girl, a sweet pretty girl on both sides. And when I was going to Mandarbani, I saw so many girls carrying this bag, and I was so awestruck. I didn't know where to get this, because I wasn't going out for a very long time. Since Bunny was born, I was not going out for shopping at all, street shopping at all, because it is difficult to take him along with me. I need someone to be with me while I'm shopping. Still, it is difficult to move with him, so I wasn't going anywhere, so I didn't know what's going on like what's in trend right now. So I just saw some girls carrying this, and I wanted to get this so bad, and I just went to New Market and I saw this. I had to get it. It was for 200 rupees. Can you imagine? 200 only. It's not very durable though, but even if it goes, or even if it lasts for 6 months, that's more than enough for me. And can you see the space it has? So big. You can, if you are going for a 2-day or 3-day trip to anywhere, and it's got this hanging strap as well. If you are going for a 2-day trip to anywhere, like if you are traveling for 2 days, or if you are going to somebody's house for 2 days, you can dump everything in here, like your shoes, one pair of slippers, your clothes, makeup, mobile, wallet, anything, and you're good to go. So, and besides, it looks so pretty. You see the gorgeousness? Yeah, so pretty. And next I'll show you the makeup products or the cosmetics that I got. I went to Ray and Shaw market. I went to Ray and Shaw shop. They stock most of the products that are not available online, or they are very costly online, and in any other shop I did not find anything of like any of those brands. I'm talking about the Miss Claire soft matte lip cream. I got, how many shades? I got 4 shades. I got 4 shades. I will be swatching these all, like I will be doing a review of these, so stay tuned for that. So I'm not going to swatch it. And these are for 200 rupees. I think I should have bargained a little, so I didn't bargain, so I got these for 200 rupees. And yeah, next I got this. This looks exactly like the NYX soft matte lip cream. I asked them here, they said it's the due for NYX. This is the shade I'm wearing right now. It's the shade SMLC07 Amsterdam. And I'll show you the swatch here. So that's the swatch of it, and it was for 150 rupees only. I got these 2 babies from Savannah Colors. The first one is the Savannah Color Shimmer Brick. I have a shade, like I have the bronze shade, and I wanted to try another shades. So here's the this one is number 05, and it's the peachy kind of shimmer brick, and these Savannah colors are pretty pigmented. See the pigmentation? I just love Savannah Colors highlighters. Oh my god, they are so adorable. Yes, so adorable. I just cannot wait to use these. Like all of the cosmetics, I just cannot wait to use them. And next I got this baked eyeshadow by Savannah Colors. Got this only for its pigmentation. Can you see the pigmentation? Like it's very pigmented, and it is it's going to be a great highlighter. So I got this as a highlighter. I will do a makeup look using this. I just loved how pigmented and how shimmery it is. I'll definitely do a makeup look using this eyeshadow. And last but not the least, I got from Savannah Colors is the blusher. It's called Ice Queen. Again, the blusher is very pigmented. See the shade, oh my god, the shade is pretty nice. It's a mild peachy blusher. I just loved how it looks. I'm so excited to use this. This blusher is for 350 rupees, and the Savannah Colors Shimmer Brick again is for 350 rupees. And the eyeshadow, I don't remember, it's for, I think it's for 200 or something. I just don't remember. That was my review of the New Market shopping and online shopping. I just went crazy in New Market. I couldn't cover so many things. Like, I wanted to buy some jewelries as well. I have a vlog. I have a vlog of New Market. I will put the link into the description. Just check it out if you are interested. I wanted to buy so many things, but I could not for obvious reasons. And I hope you like this video, and do give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and comment on the comment bar which product you liked the most. And if you have any questions regarding New Market, just ask me. I would love to answer your question, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.